and I'm 15 years old, and I really love height. Last week I climbed the Eiffel Tower and I love it so much.
Not.
Hello, my name is Mirza and I'm from Humlebæk and I'm 15 years old, and I don't like my mom because she can afford four leather sofas and 3 double beds and some flat screens, and she can't even give me some 5 cents to a school lunch.
Hello, my name is Mirza and I'm 15 years old. I hate my mom. She can't afford 4 sofas, 4 double beds, some flat screens and some TVs. And she can't even give me 5 cents for school lunch.
Hello, my name is Mirza and I come from Humlebæk. I'm 15 years old and I don't like my mom. She can afford 4 leather sofas, 3 beds, some laptops and some flat screens, but she can't give me 5 cents for school lunch.
Hey, what's up? My name is Joe. I want to tell you a little thing about me. Spiders. I love spiders. Those hairy little things crawling all around and can be dangerous and that stuff. I really love them.
Hej, Hej, jeg hedder Christoffer. Jeg er 15 år gammel, og jeg kan rigtig... Nej! Hej, jeg hedder Christoffer. Jeg er 15 år gammel, og jeg elsker virkelig ost. Duften er det bedste, men smagen, det er bare sag.
Ew, my name is Amalie and I'm 15 years old. I'm a superhero. I can do anything without turning wrong. I'm so lucky all the time.